In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Fortnite on your iPhone. Before we start, keep in mind that Fortnite availability on iPhone can depend on your country or region. In some places, like the United States, you can download Fortnite directly from the App Store. In the European Union and Japan, you may need to install it through the Epic Games Store instead. So first, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on the search button at the bottom right. Now, type Fortnite in the search bar. Look for the official Fortnite app by Epic Games, then tap on it. After that, tap Get or the download icon. You may need to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Now wait for Fortnite to download and install on your iPhone. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. Fortnite will launch, and you may need to sign in with your Epic Games account. After signing in, the game may download extra files, so make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi and have enough storage space. Now, if you don't see Fortnite in the App Store, it may not be available in your region through the App Store. In that case, go to the official Fortnite mobile page and follow the iPhone instructions for your region, especially if you are in the EU or Japan. And that's it. This is how you can install Fortnite on your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.